That's all. This is our smart control system. Today in this video, I will tell you how to program the smart key to this manuality. Okay. This is a knock. This is LED. The LED bulb is to test the totally night flashing, and this yellow cable is totally night output positive. This match this LED bulb. I press on flash 2 times, not one times. This blue is a siren output. I played this one siren. Okay. Now let us learn the smart key to this. This smart key, I press no response. This working. Okay, if you smart key cannot working, just this link button is in arm status link button. Light is off. Disarm this blinking. Yes. Button LED arm. Just like you have not smart keys. Okay. I take it outside, inside, outside. Okay. Now, firstly, you must learn the smart key to manuality. It must be in disarm status. In arm, this is in arm. You hold this button almost 10 seconds. If this button light is on, it means disarm. Hold this, don't lose your hand. Hold. Yes, disarm. Light is on. Yes, this is disarm. This is emergency disarm. And then hold this button again. Okay, until this LED bulb keeps on. Just like your car direction light or turn light keeps on, it enters the normal status suddenly, and then suddenly lose your hand. Press any button to remove this. Within 10 seconds, learning will be successful. Okay, let me show you. Now this is disarm. Okay, hold it. Okay, now let me try. Hold this. Hold it. Yes, this disarm. Okay, hold it again. On, keeps on. Yes, lose your hand. Yes. Yes, successful. And another, no response. This manuality can learn to remove smoothly. Let me try again. Disarm. Hold this. Keeps on. Lose your hand. One. Yes. Working. And these two remotes, no response. Yes. Okay. Can you know this remote by this video? Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.